Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Skoda Fabia 1 litre 75 PS finished in race blue. It's a colour collection model. Features on the car are the tinted headlamps, gloss black mirror caps with black roof, it's also 16-inch gloss black alloys as well. The rear of the car, there's parking sensors, decent loading space at the rear with storage at the side. Car seats 5 in total. Has front electric windows, electric heated door mirrors, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. Car's covered just over 12,500 miles. Has a touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming and hands-free calls. It's also air conditioning, USB port 3.5mm auxiliary and a 12-volt power source with storage at the front as well and in the centre. If you'd like any further details, please contact Patrick here at Crewe Seat. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.